See, in 400 degrees centigrade it started burning incinerator. Once the light cuts off, we have to increase to 600 degree centigrade. Lights cuts off. So, I am increasing to 600 degree centigrade. Once this reaches to 600 degree centigrade, this powder drug will be going to be complete ash. So while in incinerator, you will see inside the incinerator what is happening. With the help of tongs, we are opening this lid. So it's completely a red hot condition, it's completely burning, but still it's not reached to 600 degrees centigrade. It's more than 400 degrees centigrade. It's burning to red hot. Once it reaches 600 degrees centigrade, it will become a pure white ash. So it's become red hot. It's burning inside. It's going to reach 600 degrees centigrade once it's cut off. So this reaches the 600 degrees centigrade. So you have to switch off this and you have to switch it off this. Then you have to slowly remove this lid and crucible. You have to take it down and keep it in one corner. Why? In the sense it becomes 600 degree red hot. So I am showing a small demo. So if you take it, if you keep it somewhere, it catches fire. So I am keeping on this paper. See here. So it catches fire. So you should not keep this in any notebooks or any file. You have to keep it in one corner, and with help of tongs, you have to close this. You have to close it, lock it. So this means a student should not touch this for few minutes, and after this you have to take this crucible and keep it inside the desiccator, because this crucible will absorb the moisture from the room. So you have to keep it in this desiccator. You have to close it for another 20 minutes. You have to close it and you have to leave it for another 20 minutes. So still it becomes red hot. So after 20 minutes, we are going to remove this desiccator and taking the lid and keep it in the weighing balance. Taking the crucible with ash, you can see the ash, it's a pure white ash. Now you see the weight of crucible plus lid plus ash is equal to 55.18 grams. So weight of crucible plus lid plus ash is equal to 55.18 grams. So weight of ash is equal to D minus A, 55.18 minus 55.08 equal to 55.18 minus 55.08, 0.1 grams. So total ash pass. So therefore the total ash, weight of ash is equal to 0.1 grams, and percentage of the total ash is equal to 0.1 divided by weight of the drug 2 grams into 100 equal to percentage of weight, 0.1 divided by 2 into 100, 5% equal to 5% weight by weight. So total observation, the total ash is equal to 0.1 grams and the percentage of total ash is equal to 5 percentage weight by weight. This is how you have to perform the total ash value. Thank you.